everyone, welcome back again to another episode of Coffee Encounters. Today, we'll be discussing a step-by-step guide on how to properly extract an espresso. We will be talking about the importance of each step and some tips that will hopefully help you to master the craft of espresso making. So, come on, let's start.
Grind. The freshness, size, and quality of the grind have a significant effect on how a coffee will taste. It can dramatically change the taste of your coffee, transforming it from perfection to undrinkable bitterness. If it's too fine, the water will have a hard time passing through the coffee pot, resulting with an over-extracted espresso. If it's too coarse, the water will just pass through and you will have an under-extracted espresso. Find the perfect grind size by calibrating and experimenting espresso shots. And voila! Your espresso will never be the same. Grind an espresso weight.
During episode 2 of our series, Melissa had a great experiment regarding brew ratio. I suggest you watch that video and definitely you'll learn from it.
This is an exceptional experiment of understanding how ratio affects the taste of your espresso. Weighing scale and timer is needed for this experiment. You can download the printable chart she used. Distribution.
There are few methods of distributing coffee inside the portafilter basket. And here are the few examples.
The purpose is to move or distribute the coffee inside the basket to have an even density. Tamp. Press the espresso puck firmly and tamp hard enough to make the grinded coffee compress inside the portafilter basket. By doing so, it helps remove the air pocket so that the hot water will pass through the coffee bed evenly. Make sure that you level your tamp. Purge. Flush the group head to remove excess grinded coffee from the previous brew that you did. It also offsets the cool down temperature from the moment you remove the portafilter during the grinding and tamping. Then lock it in and dispense an espresso. These steps are just guidelines that will help you master your espresso making skills. And once you're all set, you can move on and learn about texturing milk and pouring beautiful latte arts. Check out episode 4 of our series done by Nora.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new. Always keep safe and bye.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey,